Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of CarboFire, nature's biochemical approach to sustainable weight reduction. If you've been struggling with stubborn visceral fat, this might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Visceral fat isn't just a cosmetic concern, it's a metabolic issue deeply rooted in our lifestyle, genetics, and environment. Traditional diets often miss the mark because they don't address the underlying mechanisms. That's where CarboFire comes in. This scientifically formulated supplement aims to optimize your metabolic health through biochemical regulation. So what's the magic behind CarboFire? It all starts with AMPK 5 adenosine monophosphate activated protein kinase. Don't worry, you don't need a degree in biochemistry to understand this. AMPK is like your body's energy switch. It decides whether you burn fat for fuel or store it as excess adipose tissue. Ineffective AMPK signaling can seriously hamper your body's ability to utilize fat efficiently. CarboFire aims to recalibrate this essential mechanism. By promoting the breakdown of fat stores and enhancing mitochondrial function, those little energy factories in your cells, CarboFire helps you burn fat more effectively. Now let's talk about what makes CarboFire tick. Its powerful blend of bioactive ingredients. This isn't just a random mix. Each component is selected for its proven metabolic benefits. First up, we have berberine. This natural compound is a potent AMPK activator, improving glucose regulation and promoting fat reduction. Next, there's curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It helps mitigate fat accumulation and boosts overall metabolic function. Then we have cinnamomum verum bark extract, or simply cinnamon. It enhances insulin sensitivity and regulates blood sugar levels. Green tea polyphenols, rich in EGTG, boost fat oxidation and increase energy expenditure. Resveratrol supports metabolic health and cardiovascular function by activating sirtuins proteins associated with longevity. Finally, Panax ginseng, an adaptogen that enhances energy utilization and combats fatigue, making it easier to stay active. Each ingredient is meticulously selected for its bioavailability and synergistic effect, ensuring optimal metabolic enhancement without adverse effects. But does it really work? User feedback and clinical assessments say yes. In controlled trials, participants experienced an average reduction of 18% in visceral fat over 12 weeks. Many also reported increased energy levels and improved overall well-being. The scientific community is taking notice too. Research shows that AMPK activation not only promotes fat burning, but also plays a role in glucose metabolism and inflammation reduction. CarboFire isn't just targeting weight loss in isolation, it's addressing interconnected factors that contribute to metabolic dysfunction. In a world full of quick-fix diets, CarboFire offers a refreshing, scientifically grounded alternative. By focusing on the biochemical mechanisms that govern energy metabolism, CarboFire empowers you to take control of your weight management journey. Its unique blend of natural ingredients promotes fat reduction and enhances overall metabolic health, making it a valuable addition to any weight management strategy. So if you're ready to embrace a holistic approach to health, CarboFire might just be your beacon of hope. Emphasizing long-term wellness over short-lived results, it helps you achieve your weight management goals while fostering